when it comes to Thanksgiving, we do have so much to be thankful for. And
Lloyd FM's Heather Clagus says she feels very lucky with the amount of people that donate generously at fundraising events. And as they adopt Plan Canada's Gift of Hope program in time for the holiday, Clagus hopes to get that same support from the community.
And what you do is you donate so much money, and if you get a certain amount, you can buy a farm load of animals for a family in a country in need, for example, South Africa or Asia, and then it helps them not only have food to eat, but also to improve their lifestyle.
The other wonderful thing about this program is that for every donation that is made, for every farm load of animals at $190, our institutional donors are matching it 4 times. So that's almost $1,000 of donation.